and coordinate the team Sarawa IKA, a political pressure group aligned to the National Resistance Movement, which was commissioned by His Excellency the President and Mama Janet Katam 7 on the 27th of November 2015. We are here to call upon our countrywide coordinators, field coordinators, to come for the evaluation meeting and the reunion of all cadres, trained cadres 2016 and 2017, the cadres that the president trained. So on that day of 31st, which will be a Friday, all our field coordinators will converge at Bat Valley Primary School to bring all the field reports. Right now, it is 1 month when the campaign started. So we need to, and these are the people who have been in the field. Some are the ones who have been welcoming the president, like in Northern. So we want them to bring, for so far now, we want them to bring us the report on what has transpired in this 1 month of the campaign, the challenges, because we have invited our bosses in the party, that is the NRM Secretariat led by the Right Honorable Richard Todong, who are going to be here together with the Director of Mobilization who is in charge, Honorable Seninde, to listen to those, listen to the reports from the field people. Because our field coordinators, we advise them after hearing the directive from the President that we should work with the party structures. So they have been working hard in line with the NRM chairperson of districts. So they know whatever that has been transpiring on the ground. So we need them to bring those reports so that we can discuss on them and see where can we push our strategies, and even our leaders listen to what is in the field and see where to change strategies, because any political campaign changes every time when after the strategies have changed. Number two, they are trained cadres in 2016 and 2017. The president directed his people to look for all those cadres and engage them in this campaign, because most of the time they have been left out. Yet government put in money. The president put in money, train those cadres, and they are not being used. So for us, we have called them to meet with them. The leaders of the party will be around. We will also engage them so that we can lay strategies on how we are going to canvass votes for His Excellency the President. Because this time we want a massive victory. We want to correct some mistakes that some of our leaders did in the last elections, where the president lost, the NRM party lost in Uganda and parts of Soga. So we need to lay so many strategies like what our leaders have already started doing. You see, the Honorable Kasoro is with his slogan of Uganda from 7, is also moving with his team. And among you saw him you saw her in Soga. So we also want to bring some strategies with the cadres, because these are trained cadres by His Excellency the President, so that we can also see what can we add on what our leaders in the party are doing to make sure that we bring a massive victory for His Excellency the President.